Good morning, everyone. My name is Hemant Kumar Pradhan, and today we are here to discuss about our environment, composition, and structure of atmosphere in its crisis. Basically, we are living on Earth, and Earth is a planet which is blessed with multiple elements like water, air, and many more are there. Okay, so see, the main thing that we are blessed with is because of the gravitational pull that the air and the atmospheric blanket has been formed and it's confined to the certain height. So I have a question for you. Can a person live without air? And it is a general question, and most probably everyone you will answer that obviously not, we cannot live without air. Actually, this is why the importance of air and the atmosphere has to be known to each and everyone. Actually, how the atmospheric layer, how the atmospheric envelope has been segregated, that you should know. Now, see, we living organisms, we eat food at least twice a day and drink water frequently. But see, we cannot live without breathing in air even a single second. Okay, basically for any living organisms like human being, we can survive without eating food for some times, but we cannot even survive without inhaling the oxygen, without inhaling the air for a few minutes. Okay, so this is why, and this is the most and the fundamental reason that everyone should know about the composition of the atmosphere, how the atmosphere has been divided, how there is existence of life in this earth, that we should know. Okay, see, now we will discuss about the composition of atmosphere. But before discussing the composition of atmosphere, we will first discuss about the environment. Okay, environment, it has mainly divided into 4 groups. Environment, got it? One is atmosphere, the other is the lithosphere, then comes the hydrosphere, and then comes the biosphere. We will discuss about the environment of Earth. The environment of Earth has been segmented into 2 groups. One is the biotic and there is abiotic environment. Environment can be divided into 2 groups. One is the abiotic components and biotic components. These abiotic components further can be divided into 3 groups. Abiotic. Now see, abiotic components are such kind of components in which it is a non-living thing, we can say directly. Interaction of non-living thing, and biotic means interaction of a living thing. See, in abiotic components there is atmosphere. There is atmosphere. First is atmosphere, then is hydrosphere, and it is lastly lithosphere. And in a biotic component, it is biosphere. So now today we will discuss about this 4 segments of environment. The 4 segments of environments are atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere, and biosphere. Okay. Now this atmosphere we will discuss at last, because today's chapter is all about the atmosphere. Okay. Now see, hydrosphere. Hydrosphere is such kind of hydrosphere. It includes all type of water resources. Hydrosphere includes all type of water resources such as seas, oceans, rivers, etc. And lithosphere, basically, lithosphere is such on which we are standing on. Okay, that is from crust till upper part of the mantle is confined with lithosphere, in which we get lots of minerals like iron minerals, aluminum minerals. There are lots of minerals. In other words, it is also known as Cl, silicon and aluminium. Okay. Now the next is the biosphere. A biosphere, like, it is a biotic component which is the realm of living organisms and the interaction in between atmosphere, hydrosphere and lithosphere. The interaction, like, biosphere is a sphere in which there is a interaction of living organisms. Understood? It is the interaction of living organisms on atmosphere, hydrosphere and lithosphere. Okay, the interaction of living organisms on atmosphere, hydrosphere and lithosphere is called biosphere. Okay, thank you. Now we will discuss about the atmosphere and its compositions. Okay, now atmosphere, basically it is the envelope of all the gases. It contains gas particles, it contains water particles, it contains dust particles and many more. The basic element of atmospheres are nitrogen, hydrogen, argons, oxygen, etc. and many more. Now in the next video, I will discuss about the atmosphere briefly. Thank you.